Hello everyone. Welcome to Discover Utopia. Ever wondered what are the best places to visit in New York? Welcome to the City of Dreams, a melting pot of diverse cultures, a gastronomic paradise, and home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks. New York, a popular tourist destination that captivates millions with its unique charm and vibrant energy. In this video, we'll count down the top places that you simply can't miss on your visit to this bustling metropolis. Prepare for a virtual journey through the city that never sleeps. Starting off our list at number 5 is none other than Central Park. This verdant haven, nestled amidst the concrete jungle, offers a diverse range of activities. You can saunter through its vast green spaces, visit the enchanting Central Park Zoo, or partake in a myriad of outdoor activities. It's more than a park, it's an oasis of tranquility, a place to momentarily escape the city's relentless pace. A visit to New York would be incomplete without a stroll through Central Park. Moving on to number 4, we have the bustling Times Square. This pulsating hub is the beating heart of New York, radiating an energy that's practically tangible. With colossal billboards illuminating the streets in an array of vibrant colors, Times Square transforms into a technicolor dreamscape that arrests the senses. Broadway theaters, the epicenter of American theater, line the streets, echoing with the promise of unforgettable performances. Whether you're a fan of dramatic plays, uplifting musicals, or avant-garde productions, Broadway's got it all. Shopping enthusiasts, prepare to be spoiled for choice with a plethora of retail havens, from flagship stores of global brands to quirky boutiques. And let's not forget the smorgasbord of dining options that satiate every palate, from gourmet restaurants to delightful food carts. Especially mesmerizing at night, when the glow of countless lights creates a spectacle that's nothing short of magical. For a true taste of the city's energy, Times Square is the place to be. Coming in at number 3, we have the iconic Statue of Liberty. This towering symbol of freedom, a gift from France in the late 19th century, has been welcoming immigrants and visitors to America's shores for over 100 years. A testament to the enduring spirit of the United States, the statue represents the values of freedom, democracy, and opportunity. The Lady Liberty, as she's affectionately known, stands tall on Liberty Island, her torch held high as a beacon of hope. To fully experience this historic monument, a ferry ride to the island is a must. The journey offers spectacular views of the New York City skyline that are sure to leave you spellbound. Once on the island, a climb to the pedestal allows you to appreciate the grandeur of the statue up close. The Statue of Liberty stands as a beacon of freedom and is a must-visit for any traveler. At number 2, we have the towering Empire State Building. A masterpiece of Art Deco architecture, this iconic skyscraper reaches into the heavens, standing as a testament to human ingenuity. The observation decks offer a breathtaking panorama of the city that never sleeps, making it a photographer's paradise. From the dazzling lights of Broadway to the tranquil waters of the Hudson, every inch of the Big Apple is on display. For an unforgettable view of the city skyline, the Empire State Building is a must. Topping our list at number 1, we present the Metropolitan Museum of Art. A treasure trove of creativity, the Met is home to a vast collection that spans an impressive 5,000 years of history. It's a haven for art lovers and history buffs alike, boasting galleries filled with masterpieces from every conceivable period and culture. From ancient Egypt to modern America, the Met has it all. The Met truly offers a cultural feast, making it the top place to visit in New York. There you have it, folks, New York at its finest. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our future travel adventures. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy travels!